Hello and welcome, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Inovu A7i feature phone. So this is the box that it comes in. As you can see, it tells you where to open. It says open here. Okay, I'll just do that. If I turn the box around on the back, some of the standard features are given over here. So it's got a 4.49 centimeter or a 1.77 inch TFT display. It has a 1000 mAh battery, vibration mode. It's a dual SIM feature phone, so you can put two SIMs in here. Another feature of the Inovu A7i is wireless FM with recording, and you can insert, it has memory support of up to 32 GB. Then the rest of the stuff is pretty standard. There's a video player, of course, audio player, voice recording, 22 language readable. Okay, so it reads up to 22 Indic languages, and it has Bluetooth in it, auto call recording. It's made in India and it's SAR passed, and it weighs below 1.6 kg. Okay. So let's just go ahead, open this. Just gonna cut it right there. Okay, and that's the Inovu A7i right there. So there's the phone itself. Right upon opening the box, you can see that's the feature phone itself. Comes in this plastic wrapping. Just take it. There you have it. Okay, the battery must be separate, so keep it to the side. What else do you get in the box? So if you remove the back, as you can see it below it, this is the 1000 mAh battery that comes, so you need to put the battery in. I'll do a separate video where I show you how to actually set this up. But this is the battery. So there's the phone, there's the battery, and what else have you got? This is your charging cable. So this is a micro USB charging cable that comes in here. And apart from that, you have some documents. So you have a user manual and of course a warranty card, which I put off to the side, and that's pretty much it. So there you are, folks. That was the unboxing of the Inovu A7i feature phone. We do hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.